Hey, it's me, Lillian, and I'm back with another video, finally. Just kidding. I feel like I always start all my videos like that. It's always like, I'm back, I'm finally back. Just kidding. But today was a long day. I was out shopping. As you can tell, I'm looking a little extra glowy, and it's not highlighter. It's natural glow. Just kidding. Natural highlight. Extra oily is what I should say. And I went to the mall, I did some shopping, and I went to Sephora where I picked up the makeup eraser, something I've always wanted to try. Whenever I go to Sephora, like they have that little travel section, like where you want to buy everything, but they tell you not to buy everything from the travel section. But I always eyed this, I always see this, and I always pick it up, and I'm like, should I try this? Do you think it works? But I always wanted to try the makeup eraser, and they have a black one too, and then they also came out with a new one. It has flamingos on it. That one looks really cute, but I couldn't find that one, so I decided to get this one, the original makeup eraser. So I want to try this out, take off my makeup with it. And then I also recently got the Yesu Carrots Vitamin Enriched Kale Mask, which I've been wanting to try. I got this at Target. And another great purchase that I got was these. I got the Nike Air Max 270s. They're so pretty, I love them. So my boyfriend recently got some Air Maxes, and I loved his like the green. These are like the olive color, so I got these. These are so pretty. This says Barely Rose Vintage Wine. So I love this color, it's so pretty. And that's the one I originally wanted, and I asked for my size, but they didn't have my size, so I was like, oh no. And my second option was, I was set on getting I tried that one on, and I liked the way it looked, but it wasn't like, oh my gosh, I need this one. So then I tried these ones on, and these ones I love, they're so pretty. I tried these on, and I was like, oh my gosh, I need these in my life right now. So this is what I got. I got these. They're so pretty. They were pretty pricey, like $150, but I needed them. Just kidding, no. But yeah, so those are my new shoes. But I just wanted to share with you what I got from the mall, and then I also wanted to try this out. So today I'm going to be trying out the makeup eraser, and then also applying the mask. I like doing face masks, and since it's Friday, it's Face Mask Friday, so I wanted to try this out. Just kidding. So this is the original makeup eraser. It says it removes your makeup just with water. And so the directions say how to use. One is you wet it, important. Erase. Wet portion of makeup eraser, drenched wet, and use warm water. 3. Gently rub off makeup in a circular motion, then flip eraser on a long nap side to exfoliate. So I should be able to exfoliate my skin as well, so that's kind of cool. So I'm excited to try this. And it says you can wash this in the washing machine, and that's dryer sheet friendly. So this is what it is. It looks like a towel. It feels like a blanket though. It feels really soft. So let me go wet this and I'll be back. Okay, so I just got this wet, but I'm gonna try this makeup eraser. And okay, so which side is the exfoliating and which side is the regular? So this side you're supposed to take off your makeup with, and then this side with the tag is the side you're gonna use to exfoliate your skin. So let's try it out. Oh, let me take off my eyelashes first. And also I applied waterproof mascara, so I want to try that out. I feel like this is not wet enough now. I think I need to go get it wet again, because it's kind of drying fast. So I just re-wetted it because it dried like really fast, and I got it drenching wet, so let me try this now. I think this is a cool idea, but it's like you have to wash it like every day just because you don't want to use it. Taking off my eyebrows, so I'll be looking kind of funny now. Also, I didn't just get done. So I'm finally done with my classes for the semester, and now I have time to make videos. So now I can't use the excuse of being busy with school and not making videos. This is supposed to be the exfoliating side. So here is my makeup, what the makeup eraser looks like after took off my face. Just kidding. But that's what it looks like, and now I'm going to do the face mask. So this is the Yes to Carrots Vitamin Enriched Kale DIY Powder to Clay Mask. So I think it's a cool idea just because you get to do it. I think all the like do-it-yourself things are fun to do, where you get to make your own masks. So this is what the mask looks like, and here's the little bowl, and then it has the little 1 to 2 mark. Add powder to line number 1, and then add the water to line 2. So that's what I'm gonna do now. Kind of fun doing these like little things. It's like you're making your own little magic potion. Okay, so now I'm gonna add the water. Let's see, to line 2. Okay, that's like a little above line 2. So now I'm gonna mix it around, making a cake. Just kidding. Does it look like a paste?
It looks like mud.
Okay, so this is what it looks like. Yeah, it's pretty pasty. So now I created the mask, and it's like a paste-like texture. I'm gonna apply it to my face now. And this is to use the back of the spoon to apply it. I also see, like, there's so many fun masks. I saw that e.l.f. has the magnetic face mask now. And then I also saw that at Sephora they had the My Little Pony, the pink mask, or the purple one, and then they had like the glitter masks. Those are ones that I want to try too, so maybe I'll try that out sometime. So I'm starting my face mask Friday series, or my mask Monday. So there we go, I have my mask on and looking pretty cool. But, okay, so I applied the mask, and now it says to relax for 10 minutes, so let me go relax. Or 20 for an even deeper treatment. And also this mask is 100% vegan, so if you are vegan and you are looking for a vegan mask, this is a great one to try. Let me set a timer. I'll do mine for 15 minutes. So it's been, how long has it been since I've had this mask on? So I was reading this, and I saw that it says that contains natural ingredients, and the product may cause discoloration, I assume from the carrots. So I might be walking around with an orange face later. Just kidding. So, story time. Just kidding. In high school, when I was in high school, I had really bad acne, really bad cystic acne, and I went to the dermatologist, and she prescribed me Accutane. And Accutane contains vitamin A, and carrots also contain vitamin A, but she used to tell me not to eat too many carrots just because too much vitamin A can be toxic for you. So when she told me that, I would stay away from carrots. Then at lunchtime, instead of getting carrots, I just got broccoli. So I stopped eating carrots because my dermatologist told me not to eat too much carrots because it'd be too toxic if I ate too much carrots. Which I understand, and I don't know why I didn't think about this sooner, but I have this little fan. It connects to my phone, and it's a phone fan. I could have been using this whole time to dry my face mask, but I guess I can dry the rest of my mask. Still wet here. It's a little wet here. So I could have been using this whole time. I'll also see if my Face ID will recognize me with the face mask on. Didn't work. Retry. Okay, I tried too many times. I'm gonna try it again. Didn't recognize me. Okay, so the mask is finally dry. I guess the Face ID doesn't work with the face mask. Just kidding. But I got my warm wet cloth, and it says to remove it with the washcloth or wet cloth. So let's see. And you probably just wash it off. So I'll be back. Okay, so I just washed off the face mask, and my My skin feels really soft and feels really smooth and just feels really soft, which is great. I love that feeling. So I think this mask is a great one. It's fun to try. It's fun to mix around. And so that was my video. Hope you enjoyed watching. It was fun trying out the makeup eraser, doing the face mask, and doing my little showing you my shoes and my story time. Just kidding. And also make sure to subscribe to my channel. Hit the little bell, the notification, so you can be a part of the Bell Squad. Just kidding. Also, if you want to follow me on my social media, Instagram as Lily Kinton. I'll have it in the little description box, my Snapchat. But I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to subscribe, hit the like button if you liked it. And I hope you enjoy your day. Have fun. See you in my next video. Bye.